Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so here we are at the Dollar Tree and their plus section. Absolutely love this section. So I think they're pretty much moving a lot of their fall decor over to the side to bring in the Christmas stuff. So let's just walk around just to see what everyday items they have. Come on with me, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, can you believe that these pumpkins I didn't see before? I can't believe they're out now. I probably should stock up on them. And look at these throw blankets. So these throw blankets are pretty new. I tell ya. Now, some of the items are seasonal, but a lot of the items that they're carrying is for everyday stuff. And the quality is awesome. Now, I don't know if you're noticing a lot of the charcuterie board stuff. I cannot believe it. So that tells me if they brought it in for Thanksgiving, they're bringing it in for Christmas. I cannot wait. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.